Hello and welcome back. We are moving right along into the next section of this project. So let's first begin by opening up our project. So let's go to our folder. We're going to go to Documents, Digital Art Class, click on the project folder, so Gimp Graffiti Animation, and our project file that's right there. We're going to double click to open or right click and open with. And it's going to open there in the background. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and start working on this file. So this is really a continuation of the last time we were together. So I'm going to go ahead and finish out today both image 8 and image 9. So first I'm going to start by highlighting image 8 and making that visible. Okay, and you can kind of see I'm seeing some of that blue and stuff coming through. That's kind of cool. And so we'll start with image 8 here. Make sure 8 is selected, and then we're going to do the same process. So select by color. That tool then is actually highlighted here as well. And I'm going to kind of flip-flop things today. So I'm going to select this color here, and I'm going to use the eyedropper to pick up this color here, and then I'm going to go Edit, Fill. All right, and then I thought it would be kind of fun to select my top color here and my fill color, cancel, I'm sorry, eyedropper, and pick up some of that, like, it's close, not exactly the same turquoise, but that turquoise, that's actually orange. Oh, wait, wrong part of the cursor. There we go, and add it and paste there. So we kind of flip-flopped a little bit there, and it didn't keep that other one. Edit, undo for a second. I want that to stay at the bottom. So let me see here. We're going to go select, none, and I'm going to go back into select by color. Click on that top. Because I filled it with the bottom, it's also selecting the bottom color. That's my problem. So let's see here. Edit. I want to do undo, edit, undo, edit, step back, edit, undo there. Okay, so I really like that turquoise. So I'm just going to remember that turquoise color. We'll go back and put that top color in. So let's see, edit, undo for a second. How do I want to flip-flop these so that it remembers? What if I try this one first? And we're going to pick a foreground color. We're going to pick some kind of off color for right now. And edit and fill. Now I'm going to click on this lower section. It doesn't match any longer. And I'm going to pick this green color right here. And edit, fill. Okay, now I'm going to go back and pick that red that I put in there. And I'm going to change that to a nice turquoise. Let's see, eyedropper. Let's find some of that. And edit, fill. Okay, so I kind of flip-flopped that just a little bit. Okay, so that's one change. I think I need to change this orange that we're doing here. So select by color. Let's click that orange. Let's do something really different with it this time. Let's that turquoise. All right, we'll go with a red. I'm not a big fan of red. I've said that before, but I think that will work for this project. So my next question would be, what do I do if do I want to change something with the white? So let me grab the white. And the cool part about this project is, like, we don't get to be this fun with color this often. So you should be having fun with it. All right. So select and deselect. I'm going to none. I like that. So that's going to be that layer. And then we're going to move on and show the original. So we're going back to that original by showing the visibility of image layer 9. I'm selecting layer 9, and this is going to be my last layer. So I have to decide, what do I want to change in this image? I kind of think I want my last layer to be my original color. So I am going to duplicate that. and then I'll hide that one. And so this is the last one I'm going to change. This is up to you. You don't have to add that original color back in, but I kind of just want to start there, move through a transition of change, and end there. So that's what I did. So I'm going to select a couple of things here. I'm going to make this part of the video quick. All right, I think I like that. So we're going to go ahead and leave that the way it is. So just to give us kind of, and I'm putting that original color back in. It's still a little different because again, that background got changed a little bit, but I think I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and preview this. So I'm going up to filter, down to animation, and down to playback. All right, and once I hit that playback, I can hit this play button right up here in the corner, and it will cycle through my different layers from that very bottom layer all the way up to the top. And you can get as complex as you want to with this, but I think that's a pretty cool GIF right there. And so I'm gonna say that I like it. I can again adjust this speed if I want it to be a little bit faster. But I want people to be able to see all the work that I've done. So I think I like that 0.25x there. And I'm going to kind of leave it there for right now. So I'm going to hit the X. And this is that opportunity now to show what you've done. So we're going to first file, save so we don't lose our project. And then after that, we're going to take our screenshot. So get my snipping tool. I'm going to start up the top so I get that file name up in there, then my working project, and then my layers palette over there to the right. I'm going to go ahead and save this screenshot. And this would be 7 screenshot. And hit save. Wonderful. So now I have my progress photo that I can submit properly. If you do have any questions or concerns about this step of the project, please reach out and let me know. Otherwise, enjoy the process.